Hi friends, you're watching Learn to Update. Welcome to the another video of job news series. We have many more interesting job news covered in this video. Before starting the video, please make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon to stay updated whenever I upload a new video. And the first organization of this video is Google. So Google is hiring for information technology intern. We all know Google is one of the best search engine and everyone wants to work for Google. So this is an internship opportunity from Google and it is an off-campus drive. So the minimum qualifications for this internship is currently pursuing an academic degree in one of the following majors: information systems, information technology, applied networking, system administration or a related technical field, experience working in an IT department or PC support or another technically focused service environment. So this is the minimum qualifications for this internship and preferred qualifications are given here. So if you want to apply for this internship, you can simply click here on apply. The link for this internship is provided in the description below. And the next organization is Nokia. Nokia is hiring in the form of off-campus drive. This is the role for student trainee. At one point of time, Nokia is one of the leading mobile market seller, and Nokia software is leading solutions provider in the telecom software market, helping to drive large-scale service and network operations automation and digital business transformation in supporting of customer migrations to 5G. So the job description is given here. Trainees rotate through different functions to experience the company from the ground and up. The trainee performs delegated tasks with the objective to take over more and more responsibilities and learn all required skills for this future job. And the job responsibilities and competencies are given here, and the qualifications for this job role are also given here. If you want to apply for this job role, you can simply click on apply for job and it will take you the further proceedings. And the next organization is JDS. So JDS is also hiring in the form of off-campus drive. This is for Decision Analytics Associate. So what is JDS? JDS is a professional services firm that works side by side with companies to help and deliver products that drive customer value and company results. So this is simply about JDS, and the responsibilities for this job role is given here. The qualifications needed for this job role is bachelor's degree in any discipline, MIS, operations management or other relevant degree. And the next organization is AMCAT. And the next organization is Unisys India for Associate Application Development Engineer, Associate Application Tester. So Unisys India is hiring for Associate Application Development Engineer and Associate Application Test Engineer. So Unisys India is a microcosm of Unisys Corp. We work closely with the global teams to deliver a broad range of services and technology solutions to our clients, including cloud and infrastructure transformation services, digital workplace services, application services, security solutions, technology products, industry solutions, etc. Roles and responsibilities for this job role is given here. There are different roles and responsibilities for development team and the testing team, and the annual compensation is given here. And the selection procedure for this job role is written test, technical round and managerial round. And the educational qualification for this job role is BE BTech freshers. So those people who completed BE BTech can apply for this off-campus drive. And the next organization is Dentsu Old Services. This organization is for trainee software engineer. Salary range is 3.5 lakhs per annum and other benefits are also given for this job role. And the location is Pune. Overview for this job role and about the organization is given here. Responsibility and duties are also given here. Should be self-motivated, zero to make a difference. And Java, Python, C++, .NET, PHP testing, manual and automation should be a responsibility and duty for this job role. Basic knowledge of any RDBMS is required. Knowledge of Java frameworks like Spring and Spring Boot is preferred. Knowledge of design patterns, OOPS and data structure will be preferred. And the technical qualifications, technical skills are also given for this job role. Eligible criteria: BE, BTech, BCA, MCA, ME, MTech. So these are the eligibility criteria for this job role, and the selection process is also given here. The prerequisite for this process is a candidate should have laptop or desktop webcam along with good internet connectivity. So if you want to apply for this job role, you can simply click on this apply now button. It will take you the further processes. And the next organization is Accenture. So Accenture is hiring for software engineer. The overview for this job role is given here. And what would you do? What we need: ability to anticipate and resolve business issues with agility. And the eligibility for this Accenture off-campus drive is BE, BTech, all streams or branches. 2019 and 2020 graduates can apply. An aggregate of 65%, 6.5 CGPA, and no active backlogs at the time of recruitment process and during onboarding. Maximum 1 year gap in education post 10th, standard till completion of graduation. 0 to 1 year of experience can apply for this job role. And the candidate should have certification or academic project experience, internship or work experience in the following technologies: Java, ASP.NET, SAP, ABAP, SFDC. So these are the prerequisites and eligibilities from the candidate needed for this organization. If you possess the certain skills and if you satisfies all the conditions and prerequisites for this organization, you can simply click on login to apply on this button, and it will take you the further processes. And the next organization is HPC. HPC is hiring for trainee people analytics, and the job description is also given here. And the eligible education qualification for this job role is a bachelor's degree, preferably in English, mathematics, statistics, technology, and working knowledge of one of the following languages: R, Python is required for this job role. And SQL, we all know analytics will always deals with this kind of programming language. And if you possesses the certain skills which is the organization stated, you can simply click on apply now button and you can apply for this job role. And the next organization is SquadStack. SquadStack is hiring for product engineer. Job description is given here. About Squad IQ: it is the smartest way for consumer companies to increase lead outreach and engagement to increase sales conversions massively. So what you will be doing is also given here. And Stack, Python, Django, PostgreSQL, RDS, Redis, RabbitMQ, SQS, Elasticsearch, etc. Requirements for this project is 6 months of relevant experience building technology powered products. Education is no bar as long as you have the right skill sets and aptitude for the role. Dropouts are welcome to apply as well. So this is a good opportunity for those people who are having matching skills for this organization, and without if they don't have a certain education or something, you can also apply for this job role. And the next organization is Dell. Dell Technologies is hiring for associate sales engineer analyst. So the key responsibilities for this organization are given here, and the essential requirements are also given here. The desirable requirements for this job role is bachelor's degree, BE, BTech, MCA, and 0 to 3 years of related work experience, strong technical acumen in enterprise storage, software and networking. Clearly understand the request and provide a solution from personal knowledge assisted by local tools, product documentation and escalation to subject matter experts within the agreed turnaround time by the requester. And some of the desirable requirements are also given here. And if you want to apply for this job role, as if you completed BE, BTech, MC or MCA, you can simply click on apply now button and you can apply for this job role. And the next organization is McAfee. McAfee is hiring for data analyst. So we all know data analyst jobs are less number with a great extent of demand. McAfee is hiring for data analyst. We all know McAfee provides some cyber security solutions for both business and consumers. So about the role is given here, and about you is also given here. 1+ year experience as entrepreneur full time, strong quantitative analytical abilities, company benefits and perks are also given here. Job type, primary location, additional locations are also given here. So if you are interested and if you want to apply for this job role, you can simply click on apply now button here and it will take you the further processes. So these are the organizations for this video, guys. So maximum off campus drives are all covered in this video for today. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that big fat like button and share the video to the people who needs this the most. Thank you all for watching the video, friends. Keep learning.